Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for all the love and support. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking, commenting. Thank you so much. So, today we're going to talk about social media and its dark side. So, social media is a very nice platform. This content is not for anything disregarding or disrespecting any platform and its value. And I totally understand it's a very nice platform where we can share videos, connect with people, earn money and fame like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and whatnot. But is it necessary, guys, to have a con to every pro? Is it necessary to misuse every authority we get? Is it necessary to mock others, to disregard others, to pull someone down? Is it necessary? Just take a moment and actually ask yourself, and you will realize what I'm talking about. So recently, a case happened. You must be knowing, or even if you Google it, you'll find it everywhere. The Shweta troll. A college girl who was discussing with her friend about something. Guys, we all gossip, we all discuss. We are humans, that's our human nature. We all do that, right? But she was trolled even by some famous influencers giving reaction videos. Are you is this humanity? No one even gave it a thought what kind of impact it will put on that girl's mind, because obviously we don't like to get famous in a one night, that too, not so positive way. According to some news, that girl attempted suicide, and that's just the one case, guys. That is just the one case. There are several other cases like that. And I feel it's high time to think about the misuses people or we are doing with social media. For us, it was just a matter of laughing for a few seconds. But for other person, it was their entire life. They were ready to give up. So it's a heartly request to check on yourselves, and maybe you're not doing it directly, but maybe being a part of it, liking that kind of post, viewing. We cannot control the views, but laughing on it, just do the best. If someone around is doing it, stop them right there. Tell it no, we cannot do it. This cannot happen. We need to stop this. For a better world, for a happier place, for where everybody feels safe. Hope this audio made some sense and you guys liked it. Do like, share, subscribe, and keep supporting my channel.